How you guys doing? So now I'm going to bring you some good news today. Finally decided to repair some of my Lawnboys, so I have almost all of them working except the 5269G. So this is my Lawnboy 10201. Serial number indicates it's a 93 model. It's powered by a 4.5 horsepower Lawnboy V engine. There's no primer, so just a manual choke just like my 8243 AE. Steel deck. Let's see how it fires. Mind you, it might be loud. Okay. Choke. And here's the underdeck. It's got the famous underdeck muffler that we all come to know and love from Lawnboy. It's got the mulching fan. Yeah, that's why it sounds like a F engine. I believe the V engine is the last model to use the underdeck muffler as opposed to the F engine that ran into 2000. I don't know what it is about underdeck mufflers, but they produce such a wonderful smell. You know, with the exhaust and the cut grass mixed together, produces such a wonderful smell. It's unbelievable. Now, I got this one fixed. Turned out the crankcase seal needed to be replaced. So here's the model. And see if we can zoom in. 95277, serial number 9535476. So I'm assuming this is a 1979 model. Yeah, it's got the back chute. I've turned it into a mulcher. I put a mulching blade on it. See how this one runs. Just like the good old days, except the zone start. This is a pre-compliance model, so you have the switch, leave it on, pump 3 times. I'm going to pump it 2 just for... And you got 32 to 1 mixture. Gas and oil mixed, 2 cycle. Good smoking. I don't know where that whine comes from, just assuming that it could be some bad bearings. But I don't know, hey, at least it runs. I paid about 130 bucks to fix it. I'll show you what he did to it. So here's what he did to it. The bill's in French, so I could try to decipher it for you guys, translate it. Seal, he charged me $5 for it. The pointeur and siège is needle and seat, which was about $10.35. Carburetor joint, he told me he had to re-clean the carburetor, so he charged me about $2.25 for the part. Spark plug, $4.31. Fourniture d'atelier, could be from storage, $3. So costs about $24.85 in worth of pieces, $97 of labor. Came out to $122.28. You know, with the taxes and stuff, that came out to $138.02. So, oh well, easy come, easy go, I guess. I had to do it because I was just afraid of the whine. I just wanted to see if that was normal or not. But hey, at least it runs, you know, and I'm pretty happy. So once again, Lawnboy 5277 and the 1993 Lawnboy 10201. I'll probably make a video of it next week when I cut the grass using this lawnmower. So that way I'll give you an in-action video of this machine. Alright, peace guys.